It's Patrick at Pals. Well, Jim is continuing on with replacing the solenoid that controls the runners on this vehicle. And you can see it's right here. And in order to get that piece out, the turbo has to come off. And the turbo has got 2 bolts on the back side. And the bolts will not move. They won't come out. So, what we've done is we've gotten out the plasma cutter. Now this is a cutter. It's high temperature. And it'll cut through those bolts. So now the trick is going to be, you can't see these bolts from the up here. So Jim is locating a mirror that he can use so that he'll be able to see what he's cutting when he does it. You know, sometimes vehicles require inventive procedures to get things off. And that's what this is. And Jim's coming back now with the mirror. It's just a simple mirror that he's going to put back there. And then he'll be able to use the plasma cutter to get this turbo off. And then we can get out the solenoid. If you've got a Mercedes Sprinter or motorhome, bring it to Pals. See you soon.